Good morning, students. Today we discuss about a Daniell cell. Daniell cell is a electrochemical cell, and in electrochemical cell, chemical energy are converted into electric energy. Chemical energy are converted into electric energy. Such type of cell is called Daniell cell. Daniell cell. We discuss about how to prepare the Daniell cell. Firstly, take a two beaker. Firstly, take a two beaker. Firstly, take a two beaker in which in first beaker take ZnSO4 solution aqueous ZnSO4 solution. In first beaker ZnSO4 solution is filled. ZnSO4 solution is filled, and in second beaker aqueous copper sulfate solution is filled. Aqueous copper sulfate solution is filled, and both solutions are connected with a salt bridge. Both solutions are connected by a salt bridge. This is a salt bridge. Salt bridge. In salt bridge, KNO3, NaNO3, ammonium nitrate solution is filled. KNO3, NaNO3 or NH4NO3 solution is filled, and in both solution, in ZnSO4 solution, zinc rod is dipped. In ZnSO4 solution, zinc rod is dipped. In ZnSO4 solution, zinc rod is dipped, and in copper sulfate solution, copper rod is dipped. In copper sulfate solution, copper rod is dipped. In copper sulfate solution, copper rod is dipped. This rod is zinc rod, and in copper sulfate solution, copper rod is dipped. Copper rod is dipped. Both rod is called electrode. Both rod is called electrode. Both rod is called electrode. Now both rod are connected with a connecting. Both rods are connected with a external battery by a connecting wire. Both rods are connected by a external battery. By a external battery means zinc rod and copper rod means both electrode are connected to the external battery by a connecting wire. And voltmeter measure the cell voltage of Daniell cell. Both electrode are connected with a voltmeter by a connecting wire, and voltmeter measure the voltage of or cell potential, voltage or cell potential of Daniell cell. And both electrode are connected with a external battery. With a external battery. With a external battery. With a external battery. Now after connect with a external battery to Daniel cell and apply the current and pass the current from external battery in Daniel cell, then the current is passed in both solution. The current is passed in both solution. Then we observe that first point, we observe that the oxidation reaction take place at a zinc rod. The oxidation reaction take place at a zinc rod and reduction reaction take place at a copper rod. Means zinc rod donate an electron and copper rod accept an electron. Zinc rod donate an electron means zinc rod losing the electron. Zinc rod losing the electron and copper rod accept the electron. So zinc rod is called anode and it have negative charge, and at a zinc rod oxidation reaction complete, and copper rod is called cathode. Copper rod is called cathode and cathode have positive charge. Cathode have positive charge and reduction reaction take place at a cathode. Means oxidation reaction take place at a anode and reduction reaction take place at a cathode. So at anode oxidation reaction take place, and in oxidation reaction take place zinc rod losing an electron, zinc rod losing 2 electron and convert Zn plus 2 ion. Zn plus 2 ion. So zinc rod losing 2 electron and convert Zn plus 2 ion, and Zn plus 2 ion mixed in aqueous solution, and 2 electrode move to anode to cathode. So the direction of movement of electron is a anode to cathode. 2 electron moves to anode to cathode and cathode accept the electron. So reduction reaction take place at a cathode. So copper plus 2 ion accept 2 electron. Copper plus 2 ion accept 2 electron and convert copper solid. Copper plus 2 ion accept 2 electron and convert copper solid. Means the direction of movement of electron is anode to cathode, and the direction of electric current is cathode to anode, because the direction of electric current is opposite to the direction of electron. Direction of movement of electron. So current is move to cathode to anode and electron moves to anode to cathode. So total cell reaction, 2 electron, zinc rod losing 2 electron and copper rod accept 2 electron, 2 to 2 cancel. So Zn plus copper plus 2 aqueous are convert into Zn plus 2 aqueous and plus a copper. It is a total Daniell cell equation. Total reaction of Daniell cell. It is a total Daniell cell equation, and the cell voltage of Daniell cell, which measured by voltmeter, is 1.1 volt. Is a 1.1 volt. The cell voltage of Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. This reaction is a half oxidation reaction and this reaction is a half a reduction reaction. It is called also half oxidation reaction and it is called half reduction reaction and it is total Daniell cell equation. It is a total Daniell cell equation. It is total Daniell cell equation. So total Daniell cell equation is Zn plus copper plus 2 convert into Zn plus 2 plus a copper, convert into Zn plus 2 plus a copper. So this is Daniell cell and how to prepare Daniell cell. Daniell cell को रिमेंबर करने के लिए केवल एक वर्ड रिमेंबर रखो, एलोन. इट इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड. ए मीन्स एनोड, एल मीन्स लेफ्ट, ओ मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन एंड ई मीन्स ए नेगेटिव. मीन्स डेनियल सेल में एनोड है वो लेफ्ट में होगा, ऑक्सीडेशन होगा उसके ऊपर और नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा, और उसके अपोजिट क्या होगा, कैथोड. उसके अपोजिट क्या होगा, कैथोड. आरबीएसई और सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम में इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मोस्टली पुटअप करते हैं. राइट द ड्रॉ द लेबल्ड डायग्राम ऑफ डेनियल सेल. ड्रॉ द लेबल्ड डायग्राम ऑफ डेनियल सेल. राइट द टोटल सेल रिएक्शन ऑफ डेनियल सेल. Write the half reaction of Daniell cell at cathode and anode, and what is the cell voltage? Cell voltage of Daniell cell. What is the cell voltage of Daniell cell?